Hey guys, this is Jesper from YACSS, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google My Maps and a Google Earth link using YACSS local SEO module. Let's get started. So in the last video I showed you how to create a local SEO project, clicking on this guy here and going through the steps. And you can download the links if you chose to upload the project to Google Cloud or to the Google Drive, which I recommend that you do. You can download the links here, and download links as text. And you can click on this and you can find the link to the folder that you just created. And inside of this folder you can see the doc, the sheets, the KML file and the slide. The KML file is what we're going to use now because that's what we use to create the Google My Maps. So once you are inside of the drive here, you right click, you click more and click on Google My Maps and create and share and create. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to find and add your GPP to the maps. So you search for your GPP like this and you click add to map. And now you have the option, and I recommend that you do this, and I'm going to explain why. You click edit, and then you type in like this: my name is Jesper Nissen, and I run an SEO agency. Read more here. Like this, save. So what you'll notice is that this is a do follow link and this is a no follow. I think we can see it up here. So this is no follow, but this is a do follow link. So if you're trying to search for your GPP and you cannot find it, and you cannot add it to the Google My Maps, probably because you set the address to be hidden, and Google respects that. So what that means is that Google will not allow you to add your company, your GPP, to the Google My Maps. It cannot be a hidden address GPP, service area business. So just so you know, I don't make the rules, Google does. So, all right. So next thing is we need to give the map a name. SEO agency in Aalborg. The reason that I give it this name is because it will index for this keyword. So I'm not going to say that that this map will rank on page 1 for SEO agency in Aalborg. Probably it will not, but it will index, and or it can index, and then it's going to be this keyword that it's going to be found for. I run an SEO agency in Aalborg. Read more here. Save. So now we have a link here, and link here. And we have the title and untitled layer. You see in Aalborg. We do not want untitled layers, because this is one of the ways that we can actually add keywords and relevance, topical relevance into these maps, is by actually utilizing these text fields. So this is a very short description. Of course, I encourage you to add much more text. This is a demonstration video. What I need to do now is I need to click add layer. And now you can see it says untitled layer. So let me just SEO optimization in Aalborg, save. So you can see that it has this link called import. So I click on this guy, click, and then I can now apply the KML file. So the KML file is something that we produce when you are creating the local SEO modules, and it contains the information about the 100 driving directions that I created in the last video. So I can do this two ways. I can where is it? I can download the KML file here, or I can simply, because I uploaded it to Google Drive when I uploaded the local SEO project, I can simply click on Google Drive here, find the folder, double click, click on the KML file and click insert. and watch the magic happens. So now we have this wonderful mess where it inserted these 100 driving directions. And they are not your typical driving directions because we have the starting point and the ending point, and it's a straight line. We could apply something called Open Route API, I think it's called. But that would mean that generation of a map would take 5 to 10 minutes and doesn't add any SEO value. So you'll have to do with these straight lines. And I think it looks kind of cool, actually. So what you can see is that all of the long tail keywords that I added in my projects, let me go back, click edit. So I added all of these long tail keywords in my project. They are applied to the map like this. You see here. And if I click on a point, you can see it says my name is Jesper Nissen and I do SEO. That's a little bit short. And that's because that's what I added in this field. And as I explained in the last video, I encourage you to write long text, and I encourage you to apply spin tags, because this field does support spin tags. And if I had used spin tags, I would actually have a different text in each box. I am sure that you understand what I mean. We need, of course, different texts. But if you choose to use the same text, of course, it's fine also. So the last thing that we need to do is click share. Share and drive. Public. Anyone on the internet can find and view. And done. Oops. Of course, I need to click copy here. So now this map is public to the web. It can be indexed and found. My maps link like this. And let's test if it really is so. I will open an incognito window. And yes, here it is. So what I will do now is I will click on these 3 dots up here. Embed on my side, because I can also actually copy this iframe. And let me show you why this is good. Iframe of my maps. Because I can actually embed this in my cloud stacks and in my guest post and wherever I can actually embed anything. And inside of here you can type in your anchor text keywords, SEO. That's what I always do, because it adds topical relevance to my iframe, and it explains Google to it explains to Google what this iframe is about. So now we have these 2 guys here. So what I want to do now is I want to generate the Google Earth link. So I click on these 3 guys up here and click on View in Google Earth. So now we have the Google Earth maps, and you can see it's called SEO Agency in Aalborg. And let's just see here. So I actually copy this link up here and open it in an incognito window. Let's just check. Yes, and it's perfect, because what you can see is that we have the link here to the website. My name is Jesper Nissen and I run an SEO agency, read more here. And then the link. I'm not sure if this is do follow, and I can't right click because I can't really inspect the source code here. But it really doesn't matter because it's on earthgoogle.com, and then there's this link. So what I will do now is I will copy this up here. Google Earth link. Oh, that's not the entire URL, is it? Control A, Control C. Okay, so this is the entire link. All right. So now that we have this, let's hop over to YACSS, because I want to show you how you can actually use this. Close. I want to show you it in the mass page builder here. Let me just import an image from Unsplash, search engine optimization, because we want to have something nice to look at. Google. Preview. Yeah, so it's a little bit boring websites. Good. Preview. Let's add some headers also. Good. Okay, anyway, so what I can do is I can go into special content, for example, and I can type in like this: SEO agency in Aalborg. And I can click on source, take the iframe, width to be 400. Let's see what it looks like. Preview. Yeah, and so this is the Mymaps. And local SEO in Aalborg. And down here, what I will do is I will take this link here, and I will take this link here. Oops. So it's a little bit annoying that it does not change it into a link, but and now I'm going to do it manually instead. Good. Preview. Okay, so we have the Google My Maps link and the Google Earth link, and we have the this guy here. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. That was the tutorial of how to generate and create the Google My Maps and the Google Earth links. So with regards to the Google Earth link, I don't know of a way to create the iframe for this, and I don't think that iframe generator can actually create an iframe based on this link. I don't think so, but if anybody watching this video knows of a way to generate the iframe, I will be more than happy to. No, we're sorry, you don't have the access to the page, so you can't iframe this Google Earth thing. But that really doesn't matter, because you can generate a clickable link, which is what we want, right? Because then you have power going into this link, power going into this link, and their Google properties, and they power your GPP up. So yeah, that was this video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Take care.